Two big names in HR software. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Gusto. Effortless payroll meets modern HR. And on the right, BambooHR. People-first HR built for growth. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Here's our roadmap. We're comparing Gusto and BambooHR across price, payroll and contractor tools, ease of use, integrations, HR core and people management, international capabilities, and support and resources. Got that? All right, let's start at the top. Okay, first up, price. So Gusto is pretty upfront, which is kind of refreshing. You go to their website, boom, there's the pricing. Payroll comes standard in every plan, which is just convenient, right? Plus, if you're just paying contractors, there's even a special plan for that. No need to pay for the extra stuff you're not going to use. Now, not everything's perfect. If you want the fancy features, you got to go up a tier, but overall, super clear. Now, BambooHR, it's a bit more mysterious here. If you have a small team, you get a flat rate, and yeah, the packages are flexible, but the catch? Payroll is an add-on, and you can only get pricing by asking for a quote. And if you need time tracking, that's extra too. It's like, just tell me how much it costs. So for price, Gusto keeps it simple and clear. Winner for price, Gusto. All right, payroll and contractor features. This is where things get really interesting. Gusto just nails it. Payroll is part of all plans. You get international contractor payments, which is wild, honestly, plus employer of record in a bunch of countries. Their tax compliance tools make it kind of hard to mess things up. If there's any downside, it's their time tracking. It's not super built in, but if you need payroll, you probably don't care. Now, BambooHR can handle payroll, but only as an extra, and it's only for US-based employees. No international contractors, no EOR, not really built for freelance-heavy businesses. So for this category, I mean, it's not even a question. Gusto runs away with it. Let's talk about ease of use. Gusto sets up pretty fast, usually 2 weeks, which is quick in the HR world. Admin stuff is a breeze. Like, honestly, you'll spend more time on coffee runs than figuring out payroll. If you want to dig into advanced HR settings, though, you'll need to poke around a bit. So there's that. BambooHR, it just looks good. The dashboard, the self-service features, everything's laid out nicely for employees and admins. But, and this is a thing, the setup can drag on, sometimes up to 6 weeks, especially if you need a lot of customization. Not ideal if you like fast results. So, for overall smoothness and speed, Gusto takes this one. Quick pause. Fun fact for you, Gusto actually processes billions in payroll every year, which is pretty nuts, but get this. BambooHR is trusted by over 27,000 businesses to help grow their teams. Never thought payroll and HR could be this epic, huh? Now, let's move to integrations. And oh, here's something cool. Gusto packs in over 200 integrations. Yeah, I double-checked. So if you use QuickBooks or Xero for accounting, you're golden. On the flip side, BambooHR supports a decent 128 integrations across HR and performance tools, but the accounting side is meh. No QuickBooks or Xero, so you'll have to improvise. If integrations are your thing, Gusto is basically plug and play here. Next up, HR core and people management. So Gusto covers the basics. Onboarding's smooth, HR essentials are all there, and employees can do self-service for the usual stuff. But if you want crazy advanced workflows and automations, Gusto's a bit limited. BambooHR, though, this is like their flex zone. Performance tracking, approval flows, self-service, it's all super deep, and you get slick automation for requests, plus a free trial with dummy data, which is just kind of fun for testing. The only catch is, if you're just after simple HR, it might feel kind of overwhelming. But for companies that are growing and need all those extras, BambooHR wins this round. All right, let's get international. Gusto lets you pay contractors in over 120 countries, and if you want an employer of record, they've got you covered in 9 and counting. Not bad for a payroll tool, though they're still expanding out there. BambooHR, on the other hand, you don't get international payroll or EOR. So honestly, if your business is global, or even just aiming to be, Gusto's your best bet. Last, support and resources. So both are pretty solid, actually. Gusto has live chat, a big help center, webinars, all that jazz.
You'll even get guidance on payroll and taxes when you need it. Sometimes you might wait a bit longer for a reply, but nothing wild. BambooHR matches on support with responsive chat and email, a pile of guides and podcasts, tons of resources if you want to DIY or geek out. This one's a tie. Both are super useful here. If you're a visual thinker, here's how they stack up. Gusto kind of dominates on price, payroll, integrations, international stuff, and is lightning fast to set up. BambooHR is no slouch, but it really shines in deep HR management, like automations and performance tracking. Support is pretty neck and neck, but everywhere else, you start to see Gusto pulling ahead. So here's how I see it in 2025. If you want payroll to be a no-brainer and need solid integrations, especially if you pay contractors or have global ambitions, Gusto is honestly hard to beat. But if you're running a bigger team, need serious HR firepower, or just want all the bells and whistles around people management, that's BambooHR's thing, and they absolutely deliver. The winner depends on what drives your business. Payroll first or people first. If this helped at all, and you want even more HR breakdowns, don't forget to follow the channel for expert picks and guides. You deserve HR that doesn't make you want to flip a desk. Catch you in the next review.